You have an espresso machine and a tea maker, no brand or type. They also feature some teas here as well. This looks like that at one point there's probably supposed to be like a mini fridge in here. Only problem is with this door does not even open up all the way. Just in case you get lucky, I guess. These windows do open up. Hi, welcome back to Adventures with Josh. I'm Josh. Come on in. Today we are at Hôtel Rochechouart here in Paris. It is part of the Marriott collection. It is also part of the Design Hotels. Come on in. Over here, this is the entranceway. It is extremely tight. Bringing in your luggage, you really have to navigate it very, very good. This is definitely a historic building. It's certainly classic, as you can tell by the lights in the hallway. The bathroom door here has many coats of paint on it. If my friends in Boston, if you lived in a Back Bay apartment before, this is exactly some of the style like that they have here. The wallpaper is wallpaper. Definitely tell it's pilling everywhere, so it's a little old. And this is our luggage. So we had to navigate all of this through this little hallway over here. This is a classic room. We are facing the courtyard. At least this hotel is air conditioned and it is quiet, so we're away from the main street, which is good. Over here is you have some books here, probably more for decoration. You have an espresso machine and a tea maker. Over here is the coffee. There is no brand or type name on here, so pick your choosing, whichever one you like. They also feature some teas here as well. Like loose leaf teas, some creamer, and some sugar. And there is also water here as well. I don't know, it doesn't say this is complimentary or not, so not sure, but we will find out. And down over here, this looks like that at one point there's probably supposed to be like a mini fridge in here. It's missing. So I don't know if just this room is missing or if they're all missing. Over here is another towel. For some reason they need one in the closet here. There is your safe. The only problem is with this door does not even open up all the way. So to get to the safe, you have to really navigate your way through. Over here you have your hairdryer, laundry bag, and earplugs, just one set. And over here you have a condom, just in case you get lucky, I guess, which is kind of odd, but there's not lucky behind because this is definitely has a name on it, so I guess lots of people go on Grindr and Tinder and hook up, but Jacket is the name of the brand. If anybody's heard of this, let me know. I personally have not, but good to know it's here if you need it. And over here we do a queen bed, which is good. A little seating area. We have the tight quarters here, but a little seating area over here. You have like an ottoman chair to sit on, and then also this little chair. Small TV, but it sits flat, next to the wall. And this is the courtroom over here. These windows do open up, but there's no screen there, and we're on the 4th floor, so you probably don't want to keep it open because of bugs and whatnot, but they do open up. But the room is quiet, which is good. And then you have a wooden solid headboard over here. Classic lights. And that's pretty much it. So the bathroom doors, definitely a little tight to open and close. Definitely like your classic tiles over here. They do provide Soins Columba lotion and hand wash over here. And you have a shower head over here, which probably needs to be replaced. Definitely some rust on there. And unfortunately, they're a little cheaper than amenities because they give just like a body wash and then a soap and conditioner combined, and that's it. So that is the entire room. It's tiny, where it's about a 10-minute walk though from Moulin Rouge, which we'll be seeing later. But we have a whole bunch of hotels on this upcoming trip here in France and in Switzerland, so stay tuned for that. I hope that you enjoyed the tour, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!